been a couple hours. Guess what? I'm done. Let's take a look. So we are on our final breakdown sheet. And take a look at how many breakdown sheets it takes. 197 sheets for 197 scenes. Now, I don't always break down a sheet per scene, but I did this time to show you the most straightforward way to do it. All the information we expect is there: interior, Space Needle, night, 4/8 of a page, the synopsis, and a lot of cast members. So the next step for us is to go to the strip board, or production board, as you'll hear me call it. We know how to do that. We go up to Schedule and select Strip Board. However, there's another way to go about it, and let me show you what that is. See this green color? Remember what that stands for? It stands for Interior, Night. Remember, when we designed our stripped colors, we created them here. Interior, Night. There it is, that green. If this was an exterior night, it would be blue. Let me show you. You may have already noticed this as you were breaking down the script. Let's just go through it to emphasize the point. There it is, blue. And if I select IE, it would be gray, and TBD, for instance, is that fuchsia color we chose, remember? Okay, so let's go back up to interior. So this color represents the color of the strip, but not only that, it represents the strip itself. So go ahead and click it. Voila, there we are, our last breakdown sheet in the schedule. It's red because I've selected it by clicking it. So let me click the one next to it. There you go. There it is, scene 197. So when we come back, let's take a closer look at these strips and the production board itself.